Okay, so we're merging here, indicate right, mirror, blind spot, that's it. And follow up, check in the mirror. Slow down, don't get too close, okay? I have to brake for you. Shouldn't be less than 2 seconds from any car at any point in time. We have a slow point, and then we've got a pretty sharp roundabout. Turn right here, check the right side. Yeah, you can beat that car. Okay, slow down, slow down, slow down. Check your mirror again once more. They will praise you for that, I can tell you that. So more mirrors, the better. Turn left. Yeah, no one from the opposite direction. Slow down. Force your passengers to use abs to stay upright. You're doing it wrong. Turn right. Check there and there. Good to go. Straight ahead. It's 50 zone in here. We have 2 roundabouts, one after another. Turn left. Check. No one there. Let's go. Switch your indicator off for a moment. Straight ahead. Check right again. Okay. Not yet, not yet. Now indicate left. That's it. You're telling that person from the opposite direction that you're no longer staying on the roundabout. Turn left at the end of the street. So don't indicate before you pass the last street that you're not turning on, okay? Mirror check. Check from a distance there. Wait until it's safe to do so. At the lights, turn left. Remember this intersection? I brought you to this one a few times. Yeah? Yeah, so what do we have to do here? Yeah, don't forget to merge. Indicate mirror. Blind spot, then follow up, check in the mirror. Nobody's catching up. That's good. Take the first street on the left. Now you slow down, closer to the intersection. Okay, slow down, slow down. You have priority here, you don't stop there. This is continuous road, okay? Now turn right. That one isn't. You're coming to a T-junction, but that T-junction is a little bit, you know, a different shape than a perfect T. Check, check. Okay, go. Turn right. Check your closer side first. Further side second, go. Good to go. And first left, first left. Okay, and then right in here. Okay, yep, just there. Sharp, 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 sharp. You almost missed it. Yeah. And turn right, slowly through, slowly through. And just ensure you have enough space for another car on your right side at any point in time. Slow down, slow down. I would go about 5 Ks on this bend. Okay, sharper left, sharper left, sharper left. Okay, let's reverse park after that charcoal Kia here, Hyundai, whatever that is. Okay, so indicate left, counting 1, 2, that's your third line. Make the curb appear under your mirror. That's about right. Can you see the curb under your mirror? That's a great trick, okay? So, when you're ready, reverse gear. Okay. Okay, you can use the camera, you can obviously use the mirror, and all the windows. You're turning the wrong way. Okay, so look, let me stop you there for a second, mate. So, which side does your rear end go when you reverse and steer left? So, see, you did it wrong. So you've already missed it. You can't correct it anymore, okay? So you have to go to the original position. Getting ready for the test. This is not what they expect from you, okay? Left is for left, right is for right, okay? And that's original position roughly, okay? So don't make that mistake. So you ride a bike, don't you?
No.
Can you ride a bike?
Yeah.
Okay, when you want your rear end to go left, which way do you turn your handlebar?
Left.
It's the same thing. No difference whatsoever. Okay, so let's go. Okay, let's go. Swing sharp. Let the brake off. Let the brake off, okay? So in that mirror, you can see exactly where your rear end is. That yellow line should be a little bit closer to the white line. Turn right a touch, a little bit more. Bring it closer to the edge of the yellow line. Bring it closer to the right. A little bit more, bit more, bit more, bit more. Now, look at the mirror. Can you see the line there? And your wheel. Turn and lock left again. Left, left, left. Okay, and wait until the blue lines become almost parallel. It's a little bit different view because it's got a bit of a fisheye effect there. So both, look at them both. And it's about now. Swing it once and twice. And you can't go wrong. It's harder to go wrong than right. Maybe a little bit left. A little bit left. That's it. Okay, straighten back. Red line over the curb. That's it. That's it. Park position. And handbrake on.